thunderstorm
They
warning
just
for
canceled it too.
northwestern Chambers County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Liberty County in southeastern
Shut your nasty.
northeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas until 12:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 11:51 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over northeastern Atascocita, or near Keywood, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southwestern Liberty, Dayton, Crosby, Mont Bellevue, Lake Houston, and eastern Atascocita.
Wait, is the alert on?
For a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Look, it decided to finally go off.
The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Chambers County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Liberty County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas until 12:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. Sighting and trees.
Here's our radar.
Southwestern Liberty, Dayton, Crosby,
Here's the storm in Texas.
and eastern Atascocita. Remain alert for a possible
The SVR expired on here.
develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once.
Here's what the SVR is. I think they're just gonna continue to cancel and reissue them.